Hello to all my fellow garage mechanics. Today I will show you how you can easily and cheaply flare your brake lines yourself to replace a corrosive section. For a long time I thought the brake line was a clear case for a professional workshop, also because I thought you need expensive special tools, but that's not true and you can definitely repair your brake line yourself. I'll show you in the video. Attention, this video is intended only as assistance and is not a manual. I'm not liable for any damage to the vehicle or any injuries. What do you need for this work? A new brake line obviously, connectors like these for F-flares, these are the one we are about to make, and then the actual flaring tool. I bought this one on Amazon for 25 euros. It comes with everything you need and it's totally sufficient in my opinion. The flares got really good with a little practice and everything holds tight. My first attempts looked terrible, but when I figured out what was important, every flare would work perfectly. So let's get started. We set the pipe cutter straight onto the pipe and turn the wheel hand tight. This presses a blade against the pipe and by turning it we now gradually cut deeper and deeper into the pipe. When you notice that the resistance is decreasing, you tighten again. And you repeat this until the tube is cut. Now, before you start flaring, you have to think about which connectors have to be put on the brake line, because flaring creates a kind of bead at the end that you can't get the connectors over. I mean, that's the whole point of flaring. Once that is sorted out, let's get started. Slide the brake line into the 3/16 hole with about 3 mm beyond the end of the tool. With the 3 mm I got the best results, so just use that. Then tighten the tool first on the side where you want to clamp the brake line. This is the way to get maximum clamping force, which is what you need. If the brake line is not clamped properly, it will just push out downwards during flaring. When the brake line is firmly clamped, the matching 3/16 adapter is inserted into the line. It's advisable to deburr the cutting edge beforehand to make it easier to insert the adapter and especially to get it out again, but be careful not to get any metal flakes into the brake line, as this will cause expensive damage when the brake line is installed then. Now the anvil can be put on, make sure that it sits properly and doesn't tilt, then turn it as far as it goes down until the adapter contacts the flare rod. That's it! Now the yoke can be removed again, the flare rod can be loosened and the adapter can be pulled out of the brake line. This is quite difficult sometimes, but a pair of pliers helps. Ta-da! And ready is your flaring. I wish you a lot of fun with your flaring. Do 1 or 2 or 3 practice flares. The brake line is usually available in at least 5-meter rolls, so you will have enough material to practice with. I really hope that this video helped you. I would be very happy if you rewarded my efforts with a thumbs up and a comment, and with a subscription you would also make my day. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and if not, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!